In this video, I will show you how to create a star stitch or double cross stitch. The final effect resembles a star shape. It is often used for decorative accents, stars, flowers, and can be stitched close together for a denser filling. I will be using an embroidery needle, stranded cotton thread such as DMC Moulinet Special, and I'll be working on DMC Percale, which is a high quality, high thread count cotton. Firstly, make a cross stitch by bringing your needle up through your fabric and down diagonally up to the left. Bring your needle up directly below and in line where you started your first stitch. Taking the needle back down diagonally up to the right, making a cross stitch. Now make a vertical stitch over your cross stitches from the bottom center to the top center. Finish this upright cross stitch by making a horizontal stitch over all of your stitches from center left to center right. Now you have completed a star stitch.